Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to transfer money into SoFi. There are a few straightforward ways to move money into your SoFi account. The most common and easiest method is to link an external bank account. You can do this through the SoFi app or website. Once linked, you can initiate a transfer to pull money from your other bank into your SoFi account. This is a form of ACH transfer, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days to complete. SoFi does not charge a fee for these transfers. Another option is to set up a direct deposit. If you have a paycheck or government benefits, you can provide your employer or benefits provider with your SoFi account and routing numbers. This will automatically deposit your money into your SoFi account, making it a great way to handle your regular income. Finally, you can use a wire transfer. If you need to move a large sum of money quickly, a domestic wire transfer is an option. SoFi charges no fee for incoming wire transfers, but your sending bank may have a fee. It's important to note that SoFi does not accept international wire transfers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.